So, this is on a Detroit 60 series 12.7, and the loader valve there, right here, is the one that's causing a little bit of problems. It's leaking air through here, and it's also not charging fast enough. So we're gonna remove that today and try to change that out. So let me get you, hopefully I can get a good angle and try to, I already sprayed some WD-40 on here, actually some penetrating oil, just to maybe try to loosen up these little bolts. Just 2 of them, and then there's a bunch of little components inside that need to come out. So let's give that a try. Alright, so we got that bolt off, and this one's loose. So then this little top cap just comes off. And of course, there's the broken gasket. So then there's this one right here just pops out like so. There's one of them. And then you can kind of see in there. So this comes out, it should be a whole piece almost. There's a spring in there, but let's try to pop that out. The only thing I could find that I could. Here is our new one. This is what it looks like. So you got your spring, you got a little plunger thing here, new gasket, new O-rings, that top. So this comes out, it's like this. Sorry for the sunlight here, it kind of sucks. So that, and then pretty much that. So you have your seal, your O-ring here, and then you have one on the inside as well. So I don't know, let's see. There it is. That one inside. So we gotta get all that stuff installed on that one, pretty much. now we're gonna, well, install it. But before we do that, we want to clean up everywhere where that little gasket is gonna sit. So I'm not sure if you can see that. There we go. There's a bit of some nasty debris in there, so I'm gonna get that out of there. Even down then in there. Wow. So really just want to clean this off, especially like I said where that gasket's gonna sit. So get all that stuff off. Don't want to throw it in there either, so definitely work your way around it. Alright, I mostly got it all cleaned off. So over here, so I guess we're ready to go back with our valve in there. So pretty good cleaning on there. Now our little gasket should sit fairly good up in there. So let's get that installed and we'll give it a try. So go back in one piece, I guess, like that. Easier. And you just pretty much get that baby in there. There we go. Needs a little bit of push. And it just sits in there. That's pretty much it. Now we can go back with our little gasket and put our little cap on it. And this is the cap, so remember, clean this off too, because you still got a bunch of stuff on here. So you want to clean this off too. That way that gasket sits correctly. And there we go, cleaned off. So now we put that on top. Right up top. So when you're putting the bolts down, definitely you're gonna have to press it down. And you can see they have Loctite on them already, so nice. As you can see, I'm struggling massively here, trying to record and get this out of the way. I can't put my hand on here since I'm trying to record, so woo. Woo. All I want to do is that. Alright, I might have to stop recording because I can't get my hand in there with the phone. And I ain't trying to lose these bolts. Nope. Alright, I was able to put them on now, so I was just tightening them up. Oh, by the way, that one is a what is it? T25.